Creating an AI influencer today is no longer just a futuristic idea. It's something you can actually build yourself using powerful tools like Higgsfield AI. In this video, I'll walk you through how you can create your own AI influencer step by step, even if you're a beginner. First, you need to decide your influencer's identity. Think about your niche. Will your AI creator focus on fashion, gaming, finance, or motivation? Give your character a name, personality, tone of voice, and target audience. This step is very important because successful influencers always feel consistent and relatable. Next, head over to Higgsfield and start creating your AI character. The platform allows you to generate realistic avatars and even animate them. You can design the face, expressions, and overall style. Try to keep your character visually unique so it stands out on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. Once your avatar is ready, it's time to create content. Use AI-generated scripts, just like this one, and turn them into videos using Higgsfield's animation features. You can make your influencer talk, react, or even tell stories. Keep your videos short, engaging, and focused on value. Remember, attention is everything. Now comes branding. Create social media accounts for your AI influencer. Use a consistent profile picture, bio, and content style. Post regularly and interact with comments to make your AI personality feel more human. This is where many creators fail. They build the character, but don't build the presence. Another key step is monetization. Once your AI influencer starts gaining followers, you can promote products, do affiliate marketing, or even collaborate with brands. Many companies are now open to working with virtual influencers because they're scalable and always consistent. Finally, always improve. Study analytics, see what content performs best, and refine your strategy. The more data you use, the smarter your AI influencer becomes. So if you're looking to start something new in 2026, creating an AI influencer with Higgsfield could be your opportunity. It's creative, scalable, and has huge potential. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Let's build the future together.